Dining table, couple of options. A vase with some beautiful neutral flowers would make a great addition on your dining table. We've opted for the green leaves and some beautiful white flowers so that it actually works with the walls and the chairs. That is a very luxurious setting. Another option we have would be to play with some vases. Here you go. Here's 3. We normally use, 2 to 3 vases in different sizes, similar style, similar colors, to actually accentuate the surroundings. Now, grouping it in, these 3 different sizes in a triangular form ensures that it creates some visual interest, and you can play around with it to ensure that you get that perfect Kodak photo moment. There you go. And then if you've got a corner at the back, so at the moment this looks nice, however, popping in a beautiful plant in an empty corner like this. Again, just bring some color in this space without overpowering it. And there's your couple of options for styling your dining. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time.